Hi, I'm Kieran from ISB Mobility, and I'm here today to show you the Minimo Autofold. It's the latest technology in folding powered scooters. It's got some nice little features. I'll just show you how to open up the mobility scooter. So it's just press the button on the side of the handle for a few seconds, 2 or 3 seconds, and press the pedal. And once it's started, you can release. And the auto fold will go till it's ready to complete. When it's completed its cycle and it's ready to use. So the arms are folded down and the seat is folded down as well. So when you get into it, just push back the seat back. Also, the arms just clip up to the side. There's also, you can raise them, so there's an adjustment everywhere. And then to start it, you just press the button here, and it's got very unique, your own little fob, so it's designed for your own scooter. So once you flash that at the scooter, you see the light, and then you're ready to go. So there's good knee room here, very good. There's a few little, like the lifting handle at the front, so it gives you extra assistance when lifting it into the boot of a car or transporting it anyway. So it's got your pneumatic wheels, so it gives you extra comfort. And it's got an excellent light feature here, which kind of lights up everything when you're driving. It also has a dampener on the side, so when you're turning into a corner, the scooter will automatically slow down going around bends without you having to worry too much about the speed. And also as an option there's an option with the Minimo Autofold. You can take off the seat, which makes it more compact going into a boot, and it's lighter also then to lift. So to take the seat off, it's simple. You've just got to put the arms down here, and at the side of the chair here there's a little bread plunger which you just release and then just press forward, and the seat slides off then. So that takes that away. And just to fold the Minimo Autofold after you've been to your destination or you're ready to transport it into your car, you just simply have to just do the reverse. So push the seat back, the two arms, as I said, just press that click, spring loaded, so once you press it, it'll lock down. And then we just turn off the scooter there, press the button to the side for a couple of seconds, and then press the pedal, and then the Minimo is folding itself nice and neatly, so it's very compact getting into the boot of the car. Thanks very much for watching. As you can watch it complete in here now.